Now let us see about the architecture. I will use the same example for the architecture, but here architecture can be of three types. Entity is just defining the IO part. IO part is the input and output part. Architecture, you can describe the entire logical expression in three different ways, either of the way you have to choose. The first way is the behavioral domain, or you may use data flow, or you may use the structural. Now these are the modes with the help of which you can describe the logical or the digital system or the logical expression. So each of these we will see in the differentiations. So architecture you can write around in three parts. This is also called as a modeling in VHDL. So modeling is a behavioral modeling, or it may be a data flow modeling, or it will be a structural modeling. All the three parts will be seen separately in the further sessions. For this particular example, I have taken behavioral modeling. How to define architecture? You have to simply write architecture, uppercase, lowercase, no matter, case insensitive language. So architecture behavioral modeling of, the behavioral word may be replaced by data flow or the structural as per your designing. So here I am using behavioral of. You have to write down the entity name. So I have written here half adder, the full statement is written. So let me cut here full adder. This is the entity for which I am writing the architecture part. The name cannot be different, so I have to write here capital HA. Architectural behavioral of half adder is begin. Now here we start the declaration of architecture. So this is how logical expressions can be shown here from begin. S is equal to A XOR with B. So if you are familiar with the half adder, the sum is nothing but the XOR operation between two inputs A and B. So first of all, A XOR with B is calculated and the value is assigned to the S bit. Simultaneously C, that is the bit carry, when although both of the inputs are present A and B, that is A and with B, so it will be assigned to C, the carry will be generated. And end behavioral, that is the other part about behavioral domain of how the circuit behaves. So XOR operation is there for the sum and AND operation is there between the inputs for the carry. Begin, I can comment here at any line or any row I can comment. So I am commenting here that concurrent statements or concurrent assignments for the S and C, means either of the A or B input changes, both the values get updated simultaneously. For this concurrent statements I have to assign a process, so that will be in the behavioral modeling part. We'll see in the next session. So we'll take the same example, half adder, and we will find the whole program in VHDL language for the half adder in behavioral modeling, data flow modeling and structural modeling in the next sessions within 5 minutes. This is all about the declaration of entity in architecture, what is entity and what is architecture. Stay tuned to in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this video.